everyone, it's Missy and it's springtime. You can see the nice green grass. I haven't done anything with my garden yet, but I also have a golden retriever that sheds like crazy. So I went and I bought something that I think will be very helpful. It just came today. Let's get this open. And with the summer coming up, I want to spend more of my time outside and not inside vacuuming, so I bought the Bissel Smart Clean Vacuum. The reason why I got this is because I have to vacuum like every single day just to keep up with her hair and everything. Let's see if I can get this out. It actually almost looks like it's been opened already, but maybe not. So that's what it is. This one does not come with a remote. You have to buy the remote separate, and that's basically the main thing that everyone said against it. Otherwise, there were some pretty good reviews, and I thought, well, I can give it a try. The price was pretty good, considering how much you can pay for a vacuum. And let's see the features. It has an invisible wall. It auto docks itself to its charging station, and it has sensors and everything, so it's not supposed to like bump into your furniture. It's supposed to sense that it's there. Can't fall down the stairs because it senses that too. And it's supposed to go from like your carpet to your wood floor. Like, so I have this area rug here, and I'm hoping it will just go on top of the area rug and vacuum and then go back to the hardwood floor. And then over here too, we have low ply carpet. I mean, it's very flat, so it should work. And other people said that theirs worked on the kind of carpet I have, because I don't have any shag or anything. It's just a flat carpet. So hopefully it works. And I also want to see my dog's reaction when she sees this going around. I think she is going to go crazy. My brother, if you've seen a previous video, he had a robot that he made for a robotics club for college. And she just absolutely went nuts when it was driving across the floor. So I can't wait to see what her reaction is when I get this out. Okay, Biscuit just came in from outside. Let's go see how she reacts to her new Robo Vacuum. Come on, Biscuit. Let's go see. Come here. Come here. In here. What is that? What is that? Look at her tail wag. Let's see if I could turn this on. Is it gonna turn on? Maybe it's not gonna turn on. She got interested when it made noise though. Alright, so let's take it off the charger. Let's see if I turn it on. What's it gonna do? What is it? What is it? What's it doing? Where's it going? What's it doing? She's like, I don't know. Well, this is our big guard dog. Yeah. Whoa! Is it cleaning up after you? I better get this moved there. What do you think of that? Battery low. Battery's low. I have to charge it. What did you think of that? Now she's grabbing her blanket. That means that she is upset. She needs comfort. You're gonna have to get used to that. It's gonna, oh man, you messed up the rug again. It's gonna be vacuuming every single day because you're shedding so bad. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.